Delicious and high-quality food in Phuket with a lot of choices and affordable prices can be found in this unique Thai restaurant, which is famous for its salads and sandwiches. Other food is also outstanding here. The restaurant is called Oh. There are a few restaurants by this brand in Phuket already. This one is located in Phuket Town, far from tourist spots. The location will be in the description below this video. As a trendy restaurant that even vegetarians and vegans would appreciate, there is a wide selection of fruit shakes and smoothies. What about coffee? The coffee here is great and inexpensive. Beer lovers will not be disappointed too. There are both local and imported beers. Let's take a look at the menu. The main feature of this restaurant is the selection of large salads, and the fact that the greens here are all fresh, organic and grown right there, not far from the restaurant, behind the parking lot. Let's explore the menu more. Dishes based on superfoods as quinoa, and even avocado. The selection of healthy food here is just superb. The local cuisine of Phuket is also presented here. Most of these dishes are with curry. And of course, classic Thai food is also available here. Tom yum soup, papaya salad, som tam, fried rice, pad thai and more. They have everything here. But if you're bored with Thai food, you have a lot to choose from here too. Here you go, pizza. Mexican cuisine, and even burgers. And this is quite original, a fusion of different cuisines. In a baked pie, inside there is a filling of fried chicken with sweet basil, an interesting version of the famous Thai dish Pad Krapao Gai. These are Caesar rolls with chicken, another chance to see how they are creative with food here. As for the kids, they seem to love it all. What's left in the menu? Smoothie bowls, homemade yogurts with fruits, and the kids menu. There are mouth-watering breakfast options that can be prepared at any time. The waitress suggested me to choose the most popular sandwich with avocado and poached egg, and my own choice, these 3 buns called mantou, each piece to try. The toppings looks very intriguing to me. While they are preparing my food, I'll take a small walk around the restaurant. What a huge portion of pork ribs! There is also a good choice of homemade ice cream, as well as homemade cakes and pastries. Very tasty, be sure to try. And here are the raw food desserts. Everything is made without applying high temperature. Only natural plant-based ingredients. Finally, I got my food.
crazy sandwich with avocado. Recommended.
And now it's turn for buns. The first is another variant of Pad Krapao Gai, fried chicken with sweet basil. The second bun with stewed pork. And the third, stuffed with chicken satay and a mildly spicy peanut sauce. I love it! How do you like this restaurant? For me, this is the one of the places in Phuket where I am always ready to go with pleasure and confidence, because I know here is always high quality food and very tasty. Support the video by smashing the like button and leave your comment. Do you like this kind of video format? See you in my next videos. Bye bye!